Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. Got coffee? It's Monday and it's morning. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Had a busy weekend, but I was so excited. I forgot to mention this on my morning devotionals. Go back and watch it though. I finally got to attend church in live, in person for the first time since the quarantine happened. And I was so blessed by it. We had communion and fellowship. Of course, we all had masks on and we were all kind of spread apart. But there were several of us that had to give a hug no matter what. But we had masks on. But it was just such a sweet experience being back in the presence of the Lord in His house. So what do I have going on for you this week? Well, I have 3 videos today. Our daily devotion, this one, and then I have another video coming out later on a project that I'm doing with scrapbooking for me with the kit that I got for September. And I'm kind of excited about this one. And I actually had filmed it last week and it was going to come out on Friday. But I'm having technical difficulty with this camera. I really need a new camera phone or whatever. But I'm just having to work with it. And I'm tending to lose footage. So I am going to be doing it over. Although I have my project halfway made, I'm going to demonstrate with another, kind of recreate a second one. Anyway, so that is that. And then on Tuesday, I don't think I have a video coming out. And Wednesday, I may have a video coming out, not sure. Thursday, of course, we have 24 weeks of Christmas. That's the video that'll be out. And I will be live this Thursday night. I have missed you guys so much on Thursday night. To be quite honest, though, the last Thursday I had Thursday Night Live, I didn't have but a couple people show up and they didn't talk. So, I'll be first to admit, kind of got my feelings hurt, but, you know, I'll live. I realize we all got busy lives and got things going on. And I know it's difficult for me sometimes to get on people's lives as well. But I am coming back Thursday night with a live. I haven't quite decided what I want to do yet. So you can really help me out by letting me know what kind of project you'd like to see. Would you like it to be Christmas? Would you like it to be something else? Leave it down below in the comments section and I will look at it. And I'm going to maybe try to do a poll on my community channel. Now, I know a lot of you say I use my phone and I don't always get the community tab. But there is a way to do that. You can go to your, on your phone, you go to your thing and then you hit community tab or whatever. You go to come to my channel and you hit community settings. But either way, leave me your suggestions in the comment box or you can answer the poll on community tab. Let's see what else. On Friday, I will have another keto living. I hope that you enjoyed my little grocery haul and menu planning or prepping for the week this week, and which came out yesterday evening. And I was going to put it out for this Friday, but I thought that's a long way away, and I'm showing what I bought for groceries. I really ought to show what I'm doing to prep this week. So I hope you'll come along with me on that little journey. If you haven't seen it already, it came out yesterday. I will try to link that video below in the description box. So, also on Friday, I will have my Smash That Small Paper Bag that was hosted by Deb Hauk. Last month, I took a little vacay off of it just because I just could not get it. I just couldn't get anything done. But I've started my little 6x6 pad, and so I'm excited to show you the projects I have for that on Friday also. So that's it. Basically, I am going to be having my daily devotions every day, Monday through Friday. And on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, it's kind of up in the air, you know, if I'll have videos out when I get projects done. I usually try to show them. And, Yeah. What else was there? Seems like I'm forgetting to say something. I don't know what it is, though. You ever have moments like that? My voice is kind of hoarse because sinuses are kind of hitting me really bad because of the weather change and stuff, my allergies and things like that. Oh, and yeah, I guess I should do a health update, shouldn't I? That's what I was going to do. Things are kind of holding in place. It's not getting any worse. It's if any, marginally better. But I am still determined not to do dialysis, and so I'm hanging in there with whatever. I just don't want to. I don't want to do it, so I'm taking the meds and stuff. As you can see, yes, I'm still swollen up, but that is getting somewhat better. But it is what it is, and I'm just taking it a day at a time. And man, I really need a haircut. I know that went from one field to the other field, but I really do need a haircut. Y'all, I got my hair up in a bun because I realized that my hair is down to my waist. Now, the meds that I'm taking for my lupus and stuff is the form of chemotherapy. My hair is falling out. And when it's really, really long, it pulls on it and it breaks off and it's really bad. I'm getting bald spots everywhere. So I'm trying. I got it pulled back today because I don't want it hanging down. But somehow I got to figure out how to get a haircut. So, yep. Also, I am still trying to sell my little mini album here. And I really need to get this sold. If you know anybody that would be interested in it, please let me know. Leave a comment down and also in the comment section. And I pulled the Halloween kits off because I think I'm going to rework them and make them junk journal kits. And go ahead and put the paper and stuff in there. I don't know. We'll see. But, okay, now I'm rambling. I'm going to go. Alright, guys, have a great day. And I will see you back here in just a bit. Bye.